Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Mon PBM, and I just wanted to come to y'all today. I know people have done this already, but I just want to do it because I'm just getting it in. Because, I was waiting on the price to drop, and I know they had a new one coming out soon, but I've been doing my research on the Galaxy Watch Active 2, and I liked it. I like what I saw and what they have been doing with the thing. So, and I like the whole not. I like the bezels, the twisted, because I have the old Galaxy. Where is it? I have the Galaxy. What is it? They call this the Galaxy Watch 3, I believe. Um, Not 3. I'm sorry, not the Galaxy Watch 3, but I can't remember the name. What is this thing called? Anyways, it's a Galaxy Watch. Oh, I'm sorry, the Gear S3. That's what it is. And this thing is nice. I really like it. But I wanted to get another one. And because I saw, like I said, I did my research on these watches, and I like the rotating bezel on the Gear S3, but I like the digital bezel better. That's At least that's what I believe. I mean, I've played with them in the store, and I love the digital bezel. So I said, let me grab these. As you can see, I bought a his and her, one for me and one for my wife. Even though she's not into all that like tech wise, but I've been saying for a while that I'm gonna get her like some type of Fitbit or tracker or whatever. So I said, well, hey, they had a little sale on this. So I said, why not get that? So I grabbed that, and I just want to unbox it for y'all, and wear it for like a month or whatever, and give y'all a follow up review in 2021 to see if the Galaxy Watch Active 2, I guess that's how they say it, or Galaxy Active 2 Watch, if it's still quote unquote viable in 2021, which I think any watch honestly is viable in 2021. I mean, you're using it till time, and some of them are used now, obviously for tracking and whatnot. So as long as they could do that, I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't be viable. But let's see. I'm gonna open it up for y'all and show y'all, and I may, go ahead and pause the video and set everything up, and then let y'all see how I look, and do a little quick walkthrough. We'll see. But hold on a second. All right. Before I opened it, I had to make sure that there was no information on here that I didn't want leaked out. So here we go. Got my little trusty knife. Bam. Let's do it. Let's start with the hers. All right, there we go. Boom. Boom. Put you down for a second. And start with hers. Set his to the side. And set that to the side, and here she goes. Let's just do this first. Okay, here we have the charging connector. I actually like this better because the other one that I have on my Gear S3 is kind of big. I mean, it might sit on there better, but I like this small, convenient style charging brick, I guess, if that's what you want to say about it. That's what I want to say about it. Nah. But here, as you can see, my wife, she has the 40 millimeter. Clean that off. I've got her the 40 millimeter because, like I said, she's not into it like that. And then, she's her wrist, she won't probably need the smaller wrist watch on there because of her job. So yeah, so I went with this with hers, and I like bigger watches, so of course I get, you'll see what I got myself. But yeah, this is how hers look. As you can see, it has this is like a pink band, sports band, I believe it is. Yep. So yeah, that's hers. I'm trying to get this mug to focus. Okay, keep going out of focus. All right, we're gonna put hers back in there, and I'm gonna open up mine's. Let's see. Let's set that. Put that back in there. I'm gonna let her open it up when when she's ready to open it up. If I can get it back in there. Well, I can definitely get it back in there. Alright. I think we got it back in there. I ain't gonna try not to make the video too long. Okay, we got it back in there. Set it back. Set it back. Come on, dog. Hold up. All right, now I think we got it. There we go. Bam, and we just gonna set that up there. Hopefully it don't mess anything, the camera up. And here goes the Active Watch 2 again, but this time, this is mine's. Yow. Yow. Go ahead and open. Get on open, buddy. All right. Here we go. Let's open up. Of course, it falls out. Everything just want to fall apart, as you can see. The power brick right here. And just like I showed you on my wife's Active Watch, her power brick right here. I mean, my power brick right here. And same thing. So, you know, we just going to set that to the side because I'm going to set mine's up and set hers up later. And here is mine's, obviously, is the 44 millimeter Galaxy Watch Active 2. All right, and I went with all black. And I believe this is called Aqua Black, actually. But as you can see, it has the black sports bands on it. And that's, it's more stay in focus. Probably got too much stuff going on over here, huh? Might have to move some stuff. All right, and there it is. And should I turn it on for y'all? Let's see if we got any juice. I'll just turn it on and I'll pause it or whatever and set it up. As a matter of fact, let me go on and pause it right now and set it up now. And get back with y'all and kind of breeze through it a little bit. All right, y'all, just wanted to show y'all and kind of breeze through it just a little bit, show y'all a little something on there. I have to do like a software update and all that, so I'll show y'all that at a later time once I done used it and everything. And like I said, maybe a month later and show y'all what it's looking like, okay? Let's see, that's how it looks when it first starts, and then you get the rotating bezel. Touch it, it's amazing, rotating bezel. I haven't set my stuff up on here yet because I didn't want to do it. I want to start over fresh. As you can see, it has all, this is the default. You can obviously add a lot of widgets. These are all the widgets. I guess I can use a rotating bezel. These are all the widgets you can add. Go back a little bit since my hand was covering it. Okay, and you scroll through it like that. I know you can put your palm on it and make it like turn off, but I ain't gonna do it. Pull this down for the notification. Well, not notification shade, like a little quick toggle. So yeah, so I don't know if it's what else is on here. I gotta see, as you can see, it's telling me I gotta update. Start Samsung Pay, I will, not yet. Let's go into the App Store, there we go. And yeah, we're just gonna go with it. Alright. They got it broken down in categories like this, as you can see. Let's go with essential. Let's see what's in essential. Calculator, Samsung internet, which I don't use. Camera, okay. You can control the camera. Voice recorder, translator, Samsung things, okay. Navigate, no, hold on. Navigation, Uber for gear. Okay, it's a lot more than what I, had on my watch when I first got it. So the apps are coming slowly but surely. Bixby, huh? Why don't they just use Google? Man, just use like, man, I don't understand it, man. Just use Google. That's much better. Yeah, so as you can see, that's what we got. I want to be like, okay, Google on my watch. Ooh, I'm glad my phone didn't go off. All right, but that's it, y'all. I'm gonna set it up. Like I said, use it for about a month and show y'all, a little follow up on it. All right, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Peace out. I think I'm no. Let me rephrase it. Not peace out yet, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna have my wife wear hers and kind of show y'all too, and talk about it, how she like it or whatever, or if she don't like it, what, when, why, and how. So we'll see. All right. So y'all might see my wife on here. All right. Holla at y'all. Peace out.